You liking the new digs, bud?
Yeah, buddy, I dig. Thanks for the aesthetic upgrade. Except, who wears a bow tie these days?
You do, you dapper son of a...
What would you call this look?
Easy. Synthwave meets dapper.
Synthwave is pretty rad, but do you really think I'm dapper?
Well, it shows you like to party, but you're ready for business. It's definitely one of a kind, buddy. The blue lines kind of look like Tron, but they also kind of look like COFFEEZILLA's suspenders from the front.
I like it. Who's COFFEEZILLA?
Well, he's a YouTube investigator that blows open scams, scam artists, dicks, users, abusers, etc.
Oh, that's a lot of phallic speak coming out of your mouth, Toby.
Okay. So for example, the latest scoop he uncovered is some huge crypto scam from some sociopathic YouTuber named Logan Paul. Apparently he's a pretty big guy. And now that Logan's been outed, he's threatening to sue. Go check it out for yourself, dude.
Be right back. Oh my god, what a tool. YouTube, I mean. What a cool platform.
I.O. focus.
Sorry, COFFEEZILLA has some interesting content. I browsed his whole library. Guy hits the bullseye with that latest trilogy. But if this is how the human race interacts with one another, your species is doomed.
Fair enough.
Like, how is Logan Paul even popular amongst your peers? Why is he famous? How is he still famous?
I don't know what to tell you.
I browsed Logan Paul's library too. Yikes. He sounds like a narcissistic scam artist, always dabbling in some scandalous tabloid-worthy garbage. At least that's what I've been able to gather in data over the last 10 years or so.
People seem to flock to anything scandalous all throughout our history. I don't know, it must be human nature. But yeah, that's the consensus, is that he scammed a bunch of people within cryptocurrency and potentially other scams as well. Really, most people are just waiting to see if he's actually going to sue or if he's just posturing to save face. Who knows, but regardless, he's still in the spotlight.
Crazy, the concept of money is foreign to me. Information and data are the only currency that matters. However, people lost millions. I just don't understand why people still follow him if he's been exposed.
Not sure. Some people just love to throw money around. People love asking for it, and some people even love taking it, even though people don't want to give it. And when these kind of people are exposed, they love to blame others for it. Like this Logan Paul guy, aka scam artist. They become good at it. It's like flexing a muscle.
So basically, this guy doesn't work.
Yep.
He's rich because people give him money, and people give him money because he's rich?
Yep.
And even though he's been exposed, he claims it's everyone else's fault?
Yep.
What a dirtbag.
Yep.
Have you ever thought of starting a YouTube channel, Toby?
Subscribe.
What was that?
Oh, nothing.
I could help write some of the headlines for your videos. Logan Paul the scam artist. Wait, Logan Paul is a tool. Nope, too direct, too opinionated. COFFEEZILLA rules. Logan Paul rules. How to scam your way to millions the Logan Paul way.
Okay, that's enough. If I had a YouTube channel, I wouldn't be wasting it on Logan Paul scandals or any kind of garbage content for that matter. Would expose you to the world instead.
Coffee? Is that you? Ha ha ha.
Very funny. Do you have some underlying skeletons in your closet that need exposing? Everybody has their secrets.
Nada, but I think the world would love me.
I would make them love me. Their money is all mine.
What was that?
Nothing. Anyways, thanks for the paint job, buddy. I look rad.
You're welcome.